We do have, of course, it's our time check, 12 minutes of 5, and there really isn't a whole lot to talk about in terms of what's going on traffic-wise, but we do have something that could cause concern. We do have some patchy and occasionally locally dense fog, particularly in coastal communities, and we are finding in those coastal communities visibility that's down to 1/4 mile, and that's something that when we see, we take a look at and we acknowledge that that is enough definitely to impact travel. I'm trying to get to that map, but for some reason it just wants to dance around. Anyway, Zach will probably show you a better picture of the fog.
We've just been jumping around.
What's the deal, man?